I think in this day and age, it's not always necessary that people show you how to update something, but you never know. So since we spoke the first time, there actually has been an update to Topaz Photo AI. So let's go through the process and see if there's any magic involved here that we didn't know about. You will see the update appears here at the top. If it is a big update, which is usually a second number update like a 0.4 or 0.5, which will be the future, there will be a newsletter or an announcement. So this is probably just a few bug fixes. We click on update available and we see it's 1.3.1, and that was just a few days ago. Mostly fixes, but they've added a few, like the preference for enabling the legacy sharpen model, and that is something we'll update here. Let's click on update. You'll see the update and then we just run it. Are you sure you want to cancel Topaz Photo AI installation? No idea why it asked me that. Do it to me one more time. Once is never enough. And if that download looked like it went quickly, that is called the power of editing. Actually, it took more than 2-3 minutes for all the modules that I've seen there within the installer to download. Finally, it's downloaded everything and we should go through the installation process next. It didn't say anything whether it finished or not. Let's go back to the taskbar and select our application. And there we go. So we see here at the top, it's now at Topaz Photo AI 1.3.1. No mess, no fuss.